Another board exam problem. So this is from November 2010. Basahin natin yung sample problem natin. A simple curve has a tangent distance of 93.45 meters. Find the radius of the simple curve if the deflection angle of a 20-meter chord is 2.65 degrees. Actually, ano lang to, no? Chord basis lang application niya sa simple curve. So ito yung figure natin. We have PC, PT. Ito yung mga basic components ng isang simple curve. So according dito sa sample problem natin, yung deflection angle is 2.65. That's actually the angle between the tangents. Ito yung tangent. Yan, ito yung tangent, no? Tangent line. Ito yung magiging I ng curve natin. So, the angle from the tangent and any line projected from PC papunta dun sa curve, that's actually the deflection angle na, no? 2.65. And in this case, yung length ng curve, chord natin is 20 meters. Yan yung straight line, no, from the PC to any point dun sa curve natin. So, if i-isolate natin yung chord na yan, yung 20 meters, ito yung magiging figure natin. No? So, parang gumawa tayo ng isang panibagong, or separate, no? Separate na, or ano ba tawag dun? Parang slice lang, isang slice ng buong curve natin na meron tayong chord na 20 meters. So, isang panibagong simple curve. So, kung i-drawing natin yan, lagyan na lang natin dito ng another tangent line, parang ganyan, para magiging ano talaga siya, no? Simple curve. Tapos ito yung magiging point of intersection. So, ito yung magiging angle of intersection natin, I. So, in this case, nung na-isolate na natin siya as a separate or a slice of the curve, na meron tayong 20 meters na distance, dito ito ay 10 meters din, no? Kasi half naman yung no? So, if this is I, therefore, yung 2.65 natin, that's actually I over 2 for this particular curve, no? Hindi na natin muna iisipin yan nandito. Nandito na tayo nag-analyze, no? So, for this particular curve, kung ito yung I, yung angle dito is I over 2. Ito din, no? I over 2 din yan, yung angle na yan. So, therefore, ito ay I over 2 din. I over 2 din to, no? Nilagay na natin dito yung 2.65 kasi automatic yan na I over 2. Pag nakalimutan nyo naman, ganito lang yung pag-analyze niya, no? So, if this is 2.65, ito yung angle na to. Of course, 90 degrees yan, no? Kasi tangent, no? So, yung angle natin from the radius, papuntang sa tangent, since yung tangent natin is isang beses lang siya magtatouch sa curve natin, so that's 90 degrees. So, automatic na ito ay magiging theta, which is just 90 minus yung 2.65. And since 90 degrees din to, so automatic na magiging 2.65 yung value na to, no? Kasi 90-90 lang din naman sila. So, anyway, yun lang, no? Yun lang yun naman nung kakabisaduhin nyo pag simple curve, no? So, pag I to, I over 2 yung nandito, I over 2 din, I over 2 din yung nandito sa, natin, no? Division ng half ng central curve natin. So, ito yung magiging analysis natin, no? So, analyze natin yung triangle na to. Ito. So, pwede nating i-isolate. So, meron tayong 10 meters na opposite ng angle. Tapos, meron tayong unknown na radius, which is yung hypotenuse. Okay? So, therefore, sine lang yan. Hindi tayo pwede mag-tangent, no? Kasi unknown din yung value ng line na to. No? So, sine lang talaga yung pwede natin gamitin. Okay? So, we have sine of 2.65 degrees. That's equivalent to 10 meters divided by r. Therefore, r is just equivalent to, dito tayo sa calculator natin, that's 10 meters divided by sine of 2.65. That's 216.29. So, 216.29 meters. Ito na ngayon yung final na answer natin. Actually, ano lang talaga siya, no? Since 20 meter yung length kasi ng chord. So, chord basis lang talaga to, no? So, this is an example on or application ng chord basis kasi 20 meters yung chord natin. Okay? So, I think ito na yun, no? Para sa sample problem na to. And again, thank you always for watching and see you sa mga next sample problems natin. Thank you.